This is Mike Pitts with TrailMax Trailers. Behind me is our FWTRD-70-T fifth wheel triple axle tilt. Let's take a look at it. So working our way down the trailer, let's go over kind of a brief overview here. You've got a 9-foot upper deck, a 20-degree neck, perfect for being able to pull equipment up and down and not having to worry about storing any additional ramps. Our standard 5-foot stationary deck ahead of the 25-foot tilt deck. Beautiful thing about this, like so many of our other products, this has been catered to the wildfire and BLM customer. So this trailer, even with the slanted neck like it is, you are under 44 feet overall length. And that is perfect for getting around the backcountry and getting into those tight spots. Now the 70 is an incredibly popular model for us, so we've had a little bit of a hard time finding you one to get us a video of. But this one worked out perfect because it is absolutely loaded down with several different tie-down options and even a few other creature features. But starting here at the back, you can see right out of the gate, in addition to our standard 3/8 chain slots that we've got here, we've added the D-ring package and the underbody winches. Wonderful for having lots of different options for tying your equipment down, but also the ability to haul material or hay, anything in and out of the field. This one we also opted for the bolt-on traction bars to help with that outer edge a little bit, keep the steel traction from sliding around on you, and the bolt-on bucket rest. There's some more tie-down options there, but really just a safer load securement all the way around. The cornerstone of all the TrailMax triple axle tilts is of course the 3 25K Dexter axles, standard on 215 75R rubber, but we can bump up to 235s for some of the states that need a little bit more capacity. Now, let's move on to my favorite part about this trailer. The absolute best part about this 70K tilt deck trailer is it requires no outboard power whatsoever. You're full gravity. There's no hydraulics to fail. There's no PTO necessary, no pony motor. This trailer can hook up to any truck in your fleet and be moving down the road immediately. And there's nothing to let you down while you're out in the field. So this tool, at its length, at this capacity, and honestly with this ease of use, it does make the perfect forestry trailer. Really appreciate you guys taking the time to have a look at our FWTRD-70-T. Contact your local dealer for details or visit trailmax.com, and we're happy to put you in touch. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.